More than 4.5 billion years ago, long before oceans, forests, or human civilizations existed, our planet began as a violent cloud of dust and gas, drifting through space. Gravity slowly pulled these particles together around a young sun, forming a molten world surrounded by fire and chaos. Massive collisions with asteroids and protoplanets shaped the early Earth, and one enormous impact is believed to have created the Moon. In those first millions of years, the surface was a sea of magma, constantly erupting and reshaping itself beneath a toxic atmosphere filled with volcanic gases. As Earth slowly cooled, something extraordinary began to happen. Water vapor condensed into rain, falling for thousands of years and forming the first oceans. Beneath these ancient seas, the earliest forms of life appeared around 3.8 billion years ago. These microscopic organisms were simple, but they changed the planet forever. Tiny bacteria known as cyanobacteria began producing oxygen through photosynthesis, releasing it into the atmosphere over millions of years. This event, known as the Great Oxygenation Event, transformed Earth from a hostile world into a planet capable of supporting more complex life. For nearly 2 billion years, life remained microscopic. Then, around 600 million years ago, complex multicellular organisms began to emerge in the oceans. Strange, soft-bodied creatures drifted across the seafloor, marking the beginning of a dramatic new chapter in Earth's history. Soon after came the Cambrian explosion, a period roughly 541 million years ago when life evolved rapidly into countless forms. Creatures developed shells, eyes, limbs, and complex body structures. The oceans became filled with predators and prey in an evolutionary race for survival. Life eventually moved on to land. Plants appeared first, transforming barren rock into fertile landscapes. Insects followed, and then amphibians crawled from the water onto solid ground. Over time, reptiles evolved and adapted to Earth's changing climate. About 252 million years ago, the planet experienced the largest mass extinction in its history. Massive volcanic eruptions triggered climate disasters that wiped out nearly 90% of all species on Earth. Yet life survived. And from this devastation came a new dominant group of animals, the dinosaurs. For more than 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Some were towering predators, others peaceful giants that roamed vast forests and plains. During this time, the continents slowly drifted apart. Oceans expanded, and flowering plants appeared. The world was warmer and richer with life than ever before. But around 66 million years ago, another catastrophe changed everything. A massive asteroid struck near present-day Mexico with unimaginable force. The impact triggered fires, earthquakes, giant tsunamis, and a cloud of dust that blocked sunlight across the planet. The dinosaurs, along with nearly 75% of Earth's species, vanished. In the aftermath of destruction, mammals began to thrive. Small creatures that once lived in the shadows of dinosaurs evolved into many new forms. Over millions of years, primates appeared, followed by early human ancestors in Africa around 6 million years ago. These early humans learned to walk upright, use tools, and survive in changing environments. Eventually, Homo sapiens emerged roughly 300,000 years ago. Compared to Earth's vast history, humans arrived only in the final seconds of the planet's timeline. Despite this short existence, humanity transformed the world rapidly. Early civilizations rose near rivers in Mesopotamia, Egypt, India, and China. Humans built cities, invented writing, explored oceans, and studied the stars. Empires rose and fell, religions spread, and scientific discoveries reshaped society. In just a few centuries, industrialization changed the atmosphere. Technology connected continents, and humans became capable of leaving Earth itself. Today, Earth remains a living planet, constantly changing beneath our feet. Continents still drift slowly across the globe. Volcanoes continue to erupt, mountains rise, and climates shift over time. Scientists study ancient rocks, fossils, and deep ice cores to understand the story written across billions of years. That story reveals a planet shaped by destruction, survival, adaptation, and rebirth. From molten beginnings to the rise of intelligent life, Earth's history is a reminder of both the fragility and resilience of life itself. Every ocean, forest, mountain, and living creature is part of a journey that began billions of years ago in the darkness of space. Humanity now stands at the latest chapter of that story, looking back across deep time while shaping the future of the only known world that has ever supported life.